Hello and welcome, everyone. In this video, we will talk about how Edge AI can be applied to manufacturing and retail. Some of the applications of Edge AI to manufacturing are defect detection, personal protective equipment, or PPE detection, and productivity analysis. Detecting defects in manufactured products is usually handled by the quality control department of an organization. While new methods using lasers have been devised, checking the quality or the presence of defects in products is still largely a manual job that is time-consuming and costly. Edge AI-enabled cameras can do this in a fraction of the time and money by taking images of the product from multiple angles, depending upon the complexity of the product shape, and then making a prediction whether the particular product dimension was within tolerance limits or outside. These predictions, as can be seen, would then be sent to a higher-order Edge AI device, which would collate them and make a final prediction on the status of the product. Safety at work is another area where Edge AI can be applied. Most organizations, especially manufacturing, construction, and retail, spend a lot of time and energy ensuring that the workplaces are safe for their employees and that the employees are taking proper precautions and following procedures for their own and their colleagues' safety. Edge AI can support this through Edge AI-enabled cameras, which can process the video feed of shop floors in real time and send notifications to the concerned department if it finds that an employee is not wearing protective equipment like masks, vests, safety helmets, safety boots, etc. Another area where Edge AI can be applied is productivity analysis. Productivity analysis, as the name suggests, is done to improve the productivity on the shop floor and to minimize wastages. These cost savings, which can be substantial, can then be passed on to the final consumer to make the product more competitive. Productivity analysis of a manufacturing or a retail shop floor using techniques like Lean Six Sigma, Maynard Operation Sequence Technique, or MOST, and Value Stream Mapping, or VSM, can take anywhere from a couple of months to a year. Analyzing the video feed using machine learning and collecting data on product, people, and processes can help lean consultants do their job in a fraction of the time. Along similar lines, on a retail floor, Edge AI can help the product stocking guy understand the flow of products from shelves. He can then use this data to change processes, like reducing the time to check on an aisle from 2 hours to 1 hour, or stocking some of the products nearby in cartons to reduce the replenishment time for fast-moving products. Finally, Edge AI can also help redesign supermarkets and retail stores. This idea is currently a hot favorite of many of the top retailers in the US, UK, and Europe. The idea is to use video feed from the stores and use machine learning to analyze the number of people entering the store every hour, their shopping path, the time they spent in each aisle, the time they spent at the checkout counter, etc. This data is then used to make daily operations smoother by putting more staff on the floor during peak times, widening the aisles with more traffic, modifying replenishment strategies like we discussed before, and adding or reducing the number of active checkout counters, etc. I hope you enjoyed some of the ideas that we shared in this video and will use them to develop unique ideas for your own startup. In the next video, we will look at application of Edge AI to sports. See you there!